is my suggestion 37. Please go back and watch suggestions 1 through 36, as well as all the other videos that I have posted to my channel. I thank you for stopping by. I thank you for your time. And we will start. My suggestion 37 for making money online is to do shopping. Now, when I say do shopping, I know you're like, what? Well, you might be shocked for a moment after reading the title. You must be thinking, how can I make money while shopping? To answer your question is by visiting the following sites. Most of the sites listed below will give you a percentage or a flat rate in cash back for purchasing certain items. For example, if you want to buy a pack of Oreo biscuits, go to any of the below mentioned sites, and there's any offer going on about Oreo biscuits. Let's say you find an offer which gives you $2 cash back on every purchase pack. Then clicking on the offer and buying the biscuit pack, you earn your $2. These are simple sites where they're telling you to try a product, and once you buy the product, they reimburse you whatever they say they're going to give you. Once you buy the product that they suggest, they already tell you in advance what you'll get for trying the product, and this is a way of shopping, trying items, and making cash back. Simple as that. We go shopping all the time. We buy new products. We end up liking them. We don't like them. But this is an incentive to buy things that you already buy or to try something new and at a discount price. So you can make your money right back right then and there if you try some of these sites. Now,